All right, Mina, tell me something about this drone I got today in the table.
Okay, what you have today is the Wi-Fi HD camera drone. This is Menina from MEDIABOXENT blockchain. Today we have a Wi-Fi HD camera drone. It has application control for your phone, Wi-Fi 720p HD camera, wonky start landing, real-time images you can see too.
All right, so let's see what we get. So we get the remote control. We get the 2 batteries, charger type batteries. I like it. There is 2. It will last about 7 minutes. Pretty long, 7 minutes. You get 2 USB charger. Pretty simple. Just plug it into the side right over here. And it will light up red because it's still used to charge it. But when you plug it in, it will light up again. And when this is turned off, it means it's full charge. So you can charge it on your computer. You can have in your car like the USB cigarette lighter. That's the way I do it. And you charge. Also comes with the USB reader, card reader. Comes with this. If you want to install it, and you just remove the little plate there that already did. Plug this right over here. And now you can use your phone. And right there. And you go this way. Now let's look at the drone for a minute. The only thing you need to assemble, you need to put the protectors, the propeller protectors. I would recommend to do that because you can damage the propeller by hitting somewhere on the wall. Like me, already lost one, so you got to make sure you plug it on right. All right. And the only thing that also you have to assemble is the camera. That's pretty simple. You just plug it in. That's your memory card. It comes with the 4 GB. I think it's plenty. And the way to do it is you put the memory here. I mean the red with red right over there. Your battery. Plug it in and it's done. Pretty simple. One thing I do recommend that do not try to fly this at home. If you don't have too much experience to fly this, you can hit the furniture, hit something, you will kill the propeller. Well, that's why they got this. But anyway, it gets stuck to a chair and then a few times you will kill it. I do recommend you that if you start with this thing. Start with the small one. This you can fly inside the house. And what I did for me to learn how to find my bearing, find the bearing with this drone. I start flying this inside the house. When I was master this inside the house, and I moved to one of this and outdoor. I'm still not professional at all. I'm still learning, but it's getting there. But this is the way to go. It's better kill one of these little one or lost one of these little one than lost one of the big ones. So start with this inside the house. When you master this with the remote, then move on and start with the big ones. It's a lot of fun. And I said less 7 minutes. And what I like, you can buy different batteries and plug it in and keep going and going. So now, to turn it on, the only thing you have to do, we're going to turn it on. Now, you press right over here and it will start blinking. The light is blinking right there. And it's green in the back and red in the front. Right, so you know when it's coming, back. I think this is something like an airplane. Now, you press the power, and to synchronize the remote with the drone, you go forward, back, and you see it stop blinking. Now, when you have this, now the next step, that doesn't tell you much on the instructions. The next step is level out every time. So what you're going to do, you're going to go this way. If we pay attention, we're going to go all the way both to this side. All right, you see that? Wait. So what it did is synchronize the gyros. So make sure they're on a flat surface. All right, that case that was backward. We're not going to do that way to show you because of the camera. So we're going to do it one more time. We wait. Yeah, it's funny because that the book it taught you right in the end. It should be part of the beginning. Now, to film, to start recording right there, where at the phone, you're going to press this button. You want to take a picture, you press this and it will take a picture. Now, one thing, if you want to fly what they call a Zolo without the phone, it's better if you want to go far because RF will go much farther than Wi-Fi, because what you're going to do, you're going to link between your phone and the drone, right? So if you want to push this far, I would recommend to fly this way. If you want to, not the distance, I'm not sure how long this will go, and I have the experience to go this real to push that far. So the way you do it is you put your phone, and the distance is supposed to be shorter than use of Wi-Fi. If you go that way, you what they call it bird mode. So it will just record this, and then you review your memory when you get home. You plug in something on the computer and review the memory. The other way, you can plug the phone and see that real time. Now, if you are a master with this, the way to get full power, because it starts a novice mode when you start from the beginning. But if you know how to fly this, in my case, I'm still not at level yet. What you're gonna do, you press this down like this. You see that, and now you get the full power. Now you can really fly it with no problem. I mean, there is nothing will hold you. But I would recommend you do that when you know how to fly these things. Now, the next step is this button here will take off. So if you press right over there, I press once, automatically will take off. And when up in the air, I press once again, it will come down. Now, if you want to do the 360 flip, then you need some type of speed, or you want to do the 350 if you let it hover. So when you go forward, if you go forward or run, whatever you're doing, you press this, and it will do the 360. And then I will show you a video where I was flying, and I show you two videos, one flying with the 360 and the other one little video. They record right on the drone, not on the phone. And graphic wise will be the same thing. Whatever records in the memory, same type of quality will be in the phone, no difference. Now let's review the application for a minute. So we need to connect. So I just turn on the Wi-Fi, and right over here, that's the one, and it's connected. So now I'm connected. There is no internet, that's fine. So I'm connected now with the drone. Gonna minimize this, and we're gonna start the application. So now if we pay attention, actually we can see the background. Let's see what the camera is now. If you see here, see that's a camera for the drone. Now to record, I press right over there and it starts recording. And if I press here, it will take a picture. You can change the speed, high or low speed. Normally by default it's low speed. We can use this to fly. It means if we move this, right, we can use this to fly. Now this will take off and land, and we can do like a flight plan. But remember, this one is not a GPS, so you can just go, and if you do that, the drone will do that on whatever is that. All right, but there is no flight plan. It's just we'll do whatever you want. It's just once you go like this, it will just do that, and that's it. Let's go back. So from here you can open your memory. I mean, in that case it's a phone. There's 2 pictures, there is 9 videos there. Then you can export if you want. All right, that's what it records in the phone right now. Now there we get the signal. We can turn it off and on. Now from here we get control to it. To turn it on, and you don't want this to take off, we just press once up. We're not flying. Well, it's ready to take off. If I put the throttle on, it will take off. Definitely I don't want that here in my studio. But to turn it off, you just bring it down. And it's down. See? So pretty simple. So now I'll show you the video how this thing works. It's definitely a lot of fun. Like I said, it's 7 minutes, pretty long time flying. And then you just swap another memory. Make sure you install this right. Another tip: install this right, because I already killed one of the propellers already. It's kind of, but it's still flying. Yeah, the one over there we can see. That's what happens when you learn how to fly these things. So, but it still goes. You know, it still flies. So, but I did it real bad. That's because I lost those things. All right, so let's bring it down. So it's pretty cool. So you can either decide to just record inside here by pressing this button, record, take a picture, 360, take off, or you can use combination of both. You can just put this right over here and you can see what the drone is flying. All right, so definitely for me it was pretty cool because I started with this small, and now as I get more experience, I jump better, and I definitely would like to have another big one than this. So I need to master this a little more, and then maybe the next step is whatever it is after this. So that's why we keep buying one of these things and keep upgrading as we go. To get more information on the X5UW, will be right below this video.
Give me a whole call, Dario.
Don't worry about it.
Decline. I got it.